Sometimes you've got to go where everybody shares your name.
Hello, this is Mark Leslie, and I'm about to do virtual beers with Mark, and I'm so excited. I've got another box from Foundry Brewing in Cambridge, Ontario. So you can't see the box, but it's this lovely large box. And this is a wonderful note that says, "Congratulations on completing the home portion of flight school. We look forward to seeing you at the brewery to finish your training." And oh my goodness, I cannot wait to check out this brewery. I'm pretty exciting. So I got some information about the beers, but let's see what we have in store. We have cast iron ale. I think we've had that before from them. That's a yummy one. And we also have West Side IPA. It seems familiar. I'm trying to remember if I've had it. Looks awesome. Love IPAs. Another West Side IPA. We got some hard water, gluten-free seltzer. I'm your cherry bomb. Hard water. Bubbles with a cherry on top. There you go. And then we've got Foundry Lager. That's awesome. Had that before. I think we even might still have one in the fridge. And then the beautiful Aurelia Hefeweizen. Liz is not going to like that. I'm going to be enjoying that one myself, probably. Another Foundry Lager. And then this green can. I do not recognize the green can. It is Riverside Lime. Ooh, intriguing. So that is from Foundry Brewing in Cambridge, Ontario. And again, it was the last shipment. I think it was the fourth shipment of the home portion of the flight school. Love Ontario craft breweries and can't wait to get these in the fridge and to check them out. So this is Mark Leslie of Spirits Untapped wishing you cheers to you and cheers to good beers.